Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to episode 5, part 1 of the Weekend Gear Guide. In today's episode, I'll be reviewing what I would consider the best, most essential everyday spring and fall jacket, the Arcteryx Leaf Atom LT Hoodie Gen 2, and go over the reasons why this jacket is essentially better in terms of comfort, practicality, convenience, and versatility in comparison to other similar jackets within the Arcteryx line. So to start things off, let's go over the top 10 must-haves as well as the top 3 should-haves that would differentiate the best from the rest. First, an essential everyday spring and fall jacket must be versatile enough to be worn comfortably over a wide temperature range from 25 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And to break it down further, I've listed below what I think is the most typical weather conditions and layering combinations that must be satisfied. Now, most people only take into account their comfort level when outside, but inside comfort level around 65 Fahrenheit must also be considered. As an example, I have seen people in grocery stores take off their down jackets due to overheating and perspiring caused by the down and non-breathable liner, and then proceed to hang the jacket over the top of their sharpened card handle, which is not particularly safe in the COVID-19 environment. It's important to minimize contact of you and your belongings with objects that have been frequently touched by other people. Thus, you want to be able to keep your jacket on and unzipped while shopping inside and not overheat, while still remaining comfortably warm if lining up outside or doing any other outside non-climbing activities like hiking, bicycling, or walking your dog in isolation. Second, a jacket must have a well-fitting, lightly insulated adjustable hood to provide versatility and comfort in changing weather conditions. Third, the jacket must be relatively lightweight so it can be worn comfortably for long periods of time without feeling weighted down. Fourth, the jacket must use synthetic, compressible, breathable, hydrophobic, durable, low-loft insulation with more than 0.7 kilo per ounce per square yard. This must-have effectively eliminates any down-based jacket simply because down is not hydrophobic. Even the best DWR-treated down is not as good as the best DWR-treated synthetic insulation like Climate Shield Combat. Fifth, the jacket must have a core kilo value of 1.6 to 2.0. 6. The jacket must use a breathable, weather-resistant, DWR-treated, durable outer shell fabric. 7. The jacket must use a highly breathable, DWR-treated inner liner that feels comfortable next to skin and allows a long-sleeve shirt to slide in easily. This must-have also eliminates any down jacket since all down jackets require a tightly woven liner in order to help prevent down loss through the baffles, which makes the liner not very breathable. 8. The jacket must have a trim fit in order to be worn as a mid-layer under a hard shell if required. 9. The jacket must have 2 zippered insulated hand pockets and at least 1 chest pocket. And number 10, the jacket must have an adjustable hip-length hem and use stretch-knit cuffs. Finally, to help distinguish what makes the best essential everyday jacket stand out on top of the rest, the jacket should have a non-helmet compatible adjustable hood to help reduce excess material bulk and excess hanging drawcord when the hood is adjusted. Have at least 1 external chest pocket for easy and convenient access, which can fit a smartphone and any other small items. And lastly, have breathable stretched side panels to help fit the jacket comfortably with many body types and help provide better breathability so the jacket can be worn inside without needing to take it off. Now let's see which jackets made the final cut. The final candidates are the Atom LT Hoodie, which retails for $259 US with a measured weight of 342 grams for a size small for their fall 2018 version. This jacket uses a lightweight Tiono 20 shell fabric and a 15 denier inner liner and Corloft 60 staple fiber insulation and Polartec Power Stretch with hard-face technology fleece side panels for their fall 2018 version. The next candidate is the Leaf Atom LT Hoodie Gen 2, which retails for $269 US with a measured weight of 393 grams for a size small. This jacket uses a more durable Tiono 30 shell fabric and a highly breathable Lee Pen High Air Perm nylon ripstop, also known as Permear 20 inner liner, and 2 ounce per square yard of Climate Shield Combat fiber fill insulation with DWR, and Ponte Tordo 7.5 ounce hard face fleece side panels. The third candidate is the Gamma MX hoodie, which retails for $349 US with a measured weight of 552 grams for a size small and uses a burly, weather-resistant, breathable, stretchy Fortius 2.0 soft shell with an inner fleece fabric. And finally, the Proton LT hoodie, which retails for $299 US with a measured weight of 380 grams for a size medium and uses a durable and breathable Fortius Air 20 shell fabric and highly breathable Dope Premier 20 inner liner and Core Loft Compact, which is actually Thermore Classic Super Compact rebranded with 80 grams per square meter of insulation in the body and arms and 60 grams per square meter of insulation in the hood. Now let's quickly evaluate each candidate, starting with the Adam LT hoodie. The pre-fall 2020 Adam LT hoodie version unfortunately fails must number 4 since the Core Loft insulation used is not very breathable relative to insulation in the other 3 jackets. It also fails must number 7 since the liner is not highly breathable. It also fails should number 1 since the storm hood used is large and helmet compatible, and fails should number 2 since the chest pocket is internal and not very convenient to access. The fall 2020 Adam LT version also fails should number 1 and should number 2. Next, let's evaluate the Gamma MX hoodie. The Gamma MX hoodie is a relatively heavy jacket measuring 552 grams for a size small and therefore fails must number 3. The Fortius 2.0 soft shell is also not very compressible and only lightly insulated, thus fails must number 4 and number 5. The fleece liner also makes it very difficult to slide any long sleeve base layer wool or synthetic fabric through the arm sleeves, thus fail in must number 7. The extremely large and bulky storm hood makes it fail should number 1. And finally, should number 3 fails due to no side stretch panels, which is not a big deal considering the whole jacket is stretchy and breathable. The third jacket to evaluate is the Proton LT hoodie, which is an excellent jacket and only fails should number 1 and should number 2. And finally, that leaves us with the Leaf Adam LT hoodie Gen 2, which passes all the must and should requirements, making it the best, essential, everyday spring and fall jacket. Now, for those of you who already own any of these 3 other jackets, don't get me wrong, these jackets are great, especially if you're a climber like me. However, if you're a new buyer and who does not climb or plan on climbing, or you're a climber and in need of an alternative around town, running errands, hiking, biking, or walking the dog in isolation jacket, then the Leaf Adam LT hoodie is an essential must-have for your everyday spring and fall activities. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for part 2 of episode 5. If you have any questions about this jacket or would like to see some reviews on any other gear for your weekend adventure, please leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you found this review helpful and informative. Click on the subscribe button to get notified of new reviews and stay tuned for the next Weekend Gear Guide episode.